Let's first go over how to adjust a cutting condition. Let's set up this current condition to cut through high performance vinyl. To accomplish this, press the condition key. This will switch to this screen that shows the current condition number and the settings for that condition. These settings include tool, speed, force, acceleration, and other more advanced settings. The first setting displays the current cutting condition number. We'll discuss switching conditions later in this lesson, but choosing this option will enable us to switch between conditions. The second option shows the tool or blade type to be used for the current condition, in this case condition 1. The screen shows us that we need to press the 2 key to change the tool type. To change the blade type, first determine which blade tool is being used. The easiest way to do this is to look at the container that your blade came in. This will indicate the blade type number that can be used for the condition. This menu shown here is typical of how the other condition settings are adjusted. For instance, to change the blade type, simply press the up arrow or down arrow key to select the blade type. In this case, we will be using the CB09U blade. We can scroll up the list to find that blade type, which is actually the next choice. Once the blade type is located, we can either press Enter, which accepts the new blade type, or press the left arrow key to cancel out of this menu altogether. Keep in mind that when the left arrow key is chosen, the cutter will discard the new selection and will return to the previous menu. In this case, we want to accept the new blade type, so we can press Enter. This will return to the previous condition menu. To set the speed, press the 3 key. In this menu, notice at the top there are 2 rows of values. The top row lists the condition number. The bottom row is the speed value for each condition. Notice that the current condition, condition 1, is highlighted and is ready to be adjusted. All that we have to do now is press the up or down arrow key to change the speed value for this condition. In this case, let's raise the speed to about 45 since we'll be cutting vinyl, which allows us to have a higher speed. Take note that in changing the blade type, we could press the left arrow key to exit and cancel the new settings. But here in the speed menu, we have to press the 4 key to exit or cancel the new settings. As with changing the blade type, pressing the Enter key will accept the new value. Once again, this returns to the condition menu. Next, we can change the force. To do this, just press the 4 key. Here we have the same type of menu that we had for the speed setting. We have the top row listing the condition numbers, and the bottom row which shows us what force is assigned to each condition. Once again, condition 1 is highlighted, so we can press the up arrow key to increase the value to 15. And then press Enter to accept the values. The upper right-hand corner of the condition menu indicates there are 3 pages of settings for this particular condition, and that we are on the first page. To navigate to the other pages, we can just press the down or up arrow key. Some of these options will be covered in a later portion of this lesson.